Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. This is going to be another unboxing video and I have got some sexy undies. And these are by Empress Mimi and this is what the box looks like. And it's their Côte d'Azur theme this month. I'll open it up and show you in a little while, but before that, if you're new to Empress Mimi and you want to learn a little bit about them, and I will just give you a quick lowdown about the subscription, but if you've heard it all before and you're just curious in seeing what this month's items are, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Empress Mimi is a luxurious and playful monthly subscription box. It comes in 3 different price brackets. The cheapest option is the House of Frillies box, which is a pair of knickers, and that costs you £14.95 a month. Next you've got the Queen box, which is what I've got this month, and inside contains a matching 2-piece set, and that costs you £39.95 a month. And then finally you've got the Empress box, that costs you £119.95, and that contains the matching 2-piece set, plus you get like kimonos and negligees, you might get some jewellery, and you might get things like little whips and tassels and things like that as well. So there's 3 different subscriptions for your price bracket. You can cancel any time, plus what I love about the subscription is it always comes with a refund and exchange policy leaflet inside. If for some reason the products don't fit you or you don't like them, etc., then you have got a 14-day exchange or refund policy, which I think is great because you don't want to be spending, say, over £100 on a mystery box and you've got no option but to keep it. That would be really bad. It's free shipping within the UK, but they do ship worldwide at an additional cost, which you will find out at checkout. So the sizing comes in extra small, which is a UK size 4 to 6, and then it goes up to extra extra large, which is a UK size 16 to 18. Now personally, I think Empress Mimi needs to increase their sizes because 16 to 18 is around an average sort of size. I think the average UK size is around 14 to 16 maybe. So I think increasing their sizing, I think it will just open up more doors for them, because I do think that the sizing is quite narrow. And as far as bra size is concerned, because the items that I've received over the last couple of months, I go for an extra large, which is a UK size 14 to 16. Fits me lovely. All the items I've had so far fit me brilliantly. I'm a C cup and yeah, no problems there as well. They're all nice and stretchy, beautiful colours, just fit lovely. But I've had a few people say in my last video, well, what about, you know, if you've got like bigger cup size, how does that work? A friend of mine, Willow Biggs, she's on YouTube. She's actually received the same box as me this month, and we were talking about it in private together, and she, without going into too much details because I don't want to give away too much information, personal information about her, but she has got bigger boobs than me, shall we say, and she says that this set this month, which is her first set, it's okay, but if anyone is above a double D, for instance, then you might have issues with the fitting. But if you are above a D cup or a double D cup and you really fancy this subscription, then it is worth checking it out. It is worth trying it. If it doesn't fit, you've got that refund and exchange policy, so you won't be losing out. So yeah, so that's something to bear in mind as well. There's lots of codes online. For the last 2 months, I found a code that was Lucky 40, which entitled you to 40% off your very first box, which is what I did when I first took out my subscription 2 months ago. And yeah, well, obviously 40%, it brings the cost right down, doesn't it? So if that is still available, or if I can find any other discount codes, I will link them down below. So underneath this video, you'll see show more. If you click that, that will bring up description, and all links to the subscription and any codes I can find will be listed down there. So this box was kindly sent to me. It was gifted in exchange for showing you all on my channel. Now that was due to me subscribing to the first box. Empress Mimi saw my video and they got in touch with me and said, would you be interested in receiving monthly boxes for us for free? So I was like, oh, okay then, thank you so much. It's a bit of a different subscription. I was going to do every other month. You've got the option to skip a month. The fact that they're now sending them to me for free monthly, I cancelled my subscription. But this is my 3rd month. I've had a look at these. These items are bonkers. Took me ages to work out how to put them on. You are not going to see a photo of me in them because it is very see-through. If I can find a photo online, I'll just pop it up on the screen to show you what a model looks like wearing it. But yeah, it's yeah, quite cool, quite funky, beautiful colours, and I think that's what the excitement is for me. My husband thinks they're lovely. He thinks it's nice the fact that I'm wearing red, black and now turquoise sort of underwear. He hasn't seen these yet though, but yeah, so it's a little bit different, so I thought, well, why not? So enough talking, let's get on to showing you exactly what I was given. And look, Stunning, stunning colours. Stunning colours. That's the returns and exchange sheet there. Dear Empress, the Côte d'Azur box was inspired by the enchanting coastline of the French Riviera, a summer destination preferred by European, Russian and Hollywood royalty alike. Designed for your inner jet-setting glamour puss, we hope this flirtatious and fun design takes your imagination to where the sun always shines and the champagne never ceases to flow. With a playful take on the classic cutout effect, this set is sure to set hearts racing faster than the cars in the Monaco Grand Prix. With love, light and admiration, Empress Mimi. First of all, I'll show you some nipple stickers. This is what they look like there. They're beautiful, shiny, sparkly, glittery turquoise starfishes. So I've already tried it on just to have a look. And yeah, you just take the back off there and you place your nipple there and you just stick it on your boobs. It is see-through. It is completely see-through, this bra. So this is why they're in here. And this is the bra. I'll just show you how I pulled it out and then I'll show you the proper way. It's like, what on earth? What on earth? And I was thinking, are these knickers? Are these knickers? I was thinking, huh? That doesn't make sense. I don't understand. Look at it. But this is how it's supposed to be. So that is one cup. So you've got one cup underneath there. It fastens in the middle of your boobs and it goes right across your shoulders like that, as you saw in the picture. Just show you again. Like that. And then you got this side then covering your other side of the boobs as well. And then on the back, you have got this detailing going across your back from the other side. Can you see? So it goes across your back like that. So it's a one shoulder bra basically. It is so pretty. It is really, really pretty. The detail is gorgeous. And these are the knickers. Again, look at the strappiness. Actually, when they're on, I'm quite hippie. Hippie as in quite wide hips, and because I've had 3 children, I've got a little belly overlap, you know, underneath your belly. Haven't had a C-section, it's just where my belly droops. Got a little belly overlap there above my neckline. So some knickers are really unflattering, so especially if they're really low, but no, these are nice. At first, this is what they're supposed to look like this. So I've never tried anything like this before, and you've got adjustable straps so you can go tighter or loose. They're actually fine the way they are, so whoever adjusted the straps there suited me just fine. But yeah, I wasn't sure at first whether that was the way to go, and I was thinking, oh my gosh, no, this one hardly covers my privates. But no, it's this way. It is this way. So yeah. It's really pretty. We've got a little starfish in the corner there. But yeah, so that's the set. It's not going to be for everyone. The price ranges and everything are not going to be for everyone. But the reason I went for this box in the first place was to bring something a little bit different to my channel. I personally love it. I absolutely love it. And if Empress Mimi hadn't have contacted me, then my subscription would have carried on running. So yeah, so I'm really grateful to Empress Mimi for sending me the Queen box, because it's a box I wouldn't have been able to afford myself. So yeah, no, I'm really chuffed, really, really chuffed. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots of videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.